So I tend to work more like an artist than some sort of technician or proper craftsman. And what I mean by that is, like, I don't study the design we've got here thinking, okay, like 1.3 mil diameter round wire for the claws joining on to like a 1.2 whatever D-section thing. I sort of don't really care about the measurements. I just do what looks right. So with that in mind, it's like the stone is making decisions for me. So I've got an empty mind. It's not up to me, it's up to the stone. So this bit of wire, yeah, is slightly rectangular, like it looks thinner from that side than that side. If that was to go around a bezel, it looks too chunky. The stone says, no, it's too thick. What are you doing? But that way, it's a little bit thinner, a bit more friendly, a bit more of a nice piece of jewellery. Stone is saying, okay, that's a bit better. I like that, mate. Maybe a little bit less, but that's a good bit of metal to work with now, because we need to like use pliers on it, and it's going to be like filed and papered and stuff. So you lose a little bit of dimensions through that. So I think this is kind of about right to proceed with.